Hello, good afternoon, about the question 4 of would like. Okay, learning English conversation. Weird. Could I help you order? Customer, yes, I like the hamburger and a lot of French fries. Please. Waiter, alright, do you like salad? Customer, yes, I have meat salad. Waiter, okay, and what kind of dessert do you like? We have dinner queen, Italian and French. Customer, Italian, please. Waiter, and do you like anything drink? Customer, yes, I like the soda, please. And this is my creation conversation additional. Waiter, could I help you order? Customer, yes, of course. I need to help you. Waiter, alright. Customer, I like the spaghetti and ketchup. Waiter, okay. And do you like bread? Customer, yes, I have made bread. Waiter, okay, what kind of dessert do you like? We have dinner, French or Japanese. Customer, French, please. Waiter, okay. And thank you everybody for listen my presentation. And bye.